Today we're going to finish up our unit on numbers 6 to 10. So you need to take out Chapter 5 Checkup, pages 131 and 132. You'll need to grab a pencil and have your crayons nearby in case we need them. I would like you to complete this independently, so no help from mom or dad or cousins or aunts or uncles or anyone. You're going to do this all by yourself. All right, so let's begin. For the first question, what we need to do is circle the correct number of items in each set. So we're going to count the graduation caps, and we're going to circle the correct number. Remember, if you need to, make a little mark as you count them. So count the graduation caps, circle the correct number. Now let's go over to the construction hats. We're going to count these hats, and we're going to circle the correct number. Count and circle. Coming down to number 2, we're going to start by counting each row of hats. So we have party hats and we have these little prayer caps, and we're going to count them and we're going to write the number on the line, and then we're going to circle the set that has less. So let's begin by counting the party hats. Count how many there are, and then write the number here on the line. Now count how many of these little felt prayer caps there are. After you have counted them all, write the number right here. And now you need to circle which group has less. Are there less party hats or less of these gray hats? Circle which group has less. Now we're going to go down to number 3. Number 3, we're going to count the sombreros and the Santa hats. Okay, so begin by counting how many sombreros there are. Write the number here in this spot. Then come over here and let's count the Santa hats. Carefully count them and write the number on the line. Now we're going to compare. So you're going to circle the group that has more this time. Do we have more sombreros or more Santa hats? Circle the group that you have more of. Let's turn over and work on the back. So for number 1, what you're going to do is you're going to again take out your crayon. Okay, and these are the crayons that I need you to use. I need you to get out a red, a blue, and a green. All right, so this is what you need to do. Listen carefully. Please use your green crayon to circle the number that comes before 10. Use your green crayon to circle the number that comes before 10. Now, let's take out our blue crayon. Please use your blue crayon to circle the number that comes between 6 and 8. The number that comes between 6 and 8. And last, we need to pull out our red crayon. We're going to use our red crayon to circle the number that comes after 3. Use your red crayon to circle the number that comes after 3. Okay, let's go down to number 2. For number 2, they want us to color the correct number of instruments. So here's the instruments, and this is the number they've given me. So I have to color 6 instruments here. And then down here, I'm going to color 9 instruments. So count out 6 here and color them. Count out 9 and color them. And finally, the last thing I need to do is come down here. It says circle the correct number of guitars. So they want me to circle 10 guitars. So I'm going to count off 10, and then I'm going to circle 10. Make sure that you double check your counting. And if you need to rewind and listen to this again for the instruction on the number line, feel free to do so. Good luck on your test. I'm sure you're going to do great.